Good morning, another day, another vlog. As you can see, I got both Miata engines right behind me. And today we're gonna focus on removing the AC components in the pink car because who needs AC in a convertible? Not I.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Alright, so first things first, gotta remove the condenser. I got all the bolts off. As you can see, they're being held on by rubber mount. Just gotta pull it off. Oh, never mind. There's screws at the top too. There we go. You mother. Wow. Alright, we're gonna roll it outside to power wash the engine today. Well, Tori's gonna roll it out. I'm gonna steer.
Is it in neutral?
When we were power washing the bay, it turns out I missed quite a few spots when painting the bay. So I'm gonna go in there and sand it down a little bit so we can touch up. Off camera, we sanded down and resprayed all the spots that were obviously red before. It was like it was never there. Alright, so apparently the 1.6 that we're gonna put in did not come with power steering. Thankfully, the 1.8 did. So we're gonna take this off here, try to put it on the 1.6.
I just need to know what's on your mind. You can call my name, I'll be alright.
We are taking all the needed sensors off this and putting them onto this, but it's a big puzzle because I don't know really what I'm doing.
Neither do I.
Grip it like it owes you money, dude.
Give me my money.
Grab me an extension.
An extension?
3/8.
3/8.
Give me a half of it.
Okay.
Please, give me this. Connecting everything else.
Jeez, please don't look underneath my car, guys. It's kind of hideous. You guys notice anything different? Yeah. Ending the video on this note, I've upgraded from the junkyard to the handicap spot. So we're gonna push my car into that spot and gonna call it a night. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.
I just need to know what's on your mind.